process of becoming a chartered accountant is so much time consuming. Plus, more than that, it consumes so much effort of your life, the most important time of your life, that even if you try, you can't forget the process. चाहे आप कितना भी ट्राई कर लो, आज भी नो जोक्स, कभी कभी रैंडमली 5-7 साल के बाद में एक सपना आ सकता है. मैंने आपको पहले बताया भी था कि एक बार मेरे को सपना आया था कि मैं फाइनल तो पास हो गया, पर मैं पीसीसी एग्जाम लिखने भूल गया था. और आईसीए ने मेरे को फिर से एक लेटर भेजा है कि पहले तेरे को पीसीसी भी लिखना पड़ेगा टू कंटिन्यू विद द मेंबरशिप. इंसान को इस नेचर का खौफ होता है. ऐसा हुआ नहीं है, ये मेरा सपना था. मतलब आई एम नॉट किडिंग, इट्स अ फैक्ट. इंसान, तुमको आज रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है, गिव इट सम टाइम. once this is all over, give it yourself few years and you will realize, because आप अपने दिमाग को इतना ज्यादा उस एक चीज के पीछे लगा देते हैं. इन जनरल यू फॉरगेट अबाउट एवरीथिंग एल्स. मतलब लिटरली आप अपनी लाइफ के आसपास बाकी सब चीजें जो है वो भूल ही जाते हैं. मतलब अगर वो है ना तो भी मतलब ऐसा लगता है वो इतना रेलेवेंट नहीं है. मतलब कोर नॉन कोर एक्टिविटी ऐसा हो जाता है. योर ब्रेन थिंक्स लाइक दैट. One important aspect, what I believed, I will share 4 things with you. First one, the most important one. हर कोई आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करेगा जिस दिन आप सीए बन जाते हैं, जिस दिन आपका रिजल्ट आता है. Suddenly the entire world changes around you. They start give you a call. Suddenly you receive calls from those relatives and those people जिनका शायद आपको चेहरा और नाम भी याद नहीं होगा. But everyone starts calling, yes or no? The biggest problem is people don't realize that you actually become a chartered accountant on a daily basis. It's not that on that day you become a chartered accountant. From your day 1 till the last date, rather according to me, last 1.5 months you are hardly doing anything. After writing the exam, in my time, articleship used to be over. After articleship, you have written your exams, you are waiting for your results. I remember doing nothing in last 1.5 months. So actually value addition is a negative. What you had done was 3.5 years before that. So actually people should have appreciated about those 3.5 years. But that's not how the world works, remember. So आपको अगर ऐसा लग रहा होगा वो एक दिन आकर के चीज बदल जाएगी, नहीं. मेरे हिसाब से हर दिन जो आप कर रहे हो, हर दिन जो आप, maybe every day you are trying to learn a simple सा concept, that's actually making you into a chartered accountant. Lot of you will think नहीं सर ऐसा नहीं होता है. You will realize the way you achieve something. जिस दिन तुम वो थोड़ा सा भी अपने लिए कुछ अचीव करेगा, तुमको अच्छा लगेगा. उससे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये तो हो गया लोगों का रिकॉग्निशन. नाउ हाउ पीपल थिंक, डोंट टेक इट ऑफेंसिवली. लॉट ऑफ पीपल, as soon as, and I'm talking specifically about our fraternity because I'm part of fraternity, I've seen more people in our fraternity than any other fraternity. I can talk about chartered accountants. When people become a chartered accountant, majority people have an expectation. Why I should not get a salary of 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh, 100, मतलब $100,000, whatever it is. According to me, that degree is just the starting point. They just gave you the रास्ता. यहां से तुम्हें वैल्यूएशन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. तुम सिर्फ डिग्री अचीव करके ये नहीं बोल सकते हो आई हैव डन एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ दैट आई डिजर्व टू एक्चुअली मेक 20 लाख रुपीस ऑन डे 1. ट्रस्ट मी, मे बी द वैल्यू एडिशन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग may not be that great. Maybe you worked really hard to pass certain exams. Absolutely good. We want to congratulate you. But when it comes to the real world, you have to create value. So remember, getting that degree is just one recognition, and it is opening a door for you that you actually start adding more value on a daily basis on yourself. If you believe that I just finish all these exams, the world is going to come to my feet and give me 50 lakhs, you are stupid. Absolutely stupid. And if someone is giving you a motivation because you became a chartered accountant, you deserve everything, I'm sorry. That is also wrong. In life, you have to earn every single penny in true sense. And it is not earned purely by writing exams. According to me, that just gives you recognition. That just makes you eligible. That does not give you a position. To actually earn that position, you have to work. Remember that, वो आपके लिए starting होगा. Majority लोग, मेरे को जो लगता है अपने आसपास, I've seen a lot of people, that is where they start giving up. Because they believe now it should come to me as it is. I don't have to do anything about it. Rather, according to me, the real struggle will start after that. Right now, you are competing with only students of a community. After that, you will compete with everyone in the world. And then, I'm sorry, unnecessary debates takes place. Comparing a chartered accountant with an MBA. Comparing a CFA course with a CA course. Useless debates. Why on earth you want to debate about something when you have not achieved both? And if you have achieved both, I'm sure you very well know the difference. Why do you want to talk about it and demotivate thousands more and make them more confused about it? It is utterly stupid according to me, because the one who is going through the process of a CFA really understands well what the process is, and what you are going through as a chartered accountant course, तुमको उसका relevance मालूम है, किसी को भी उसका relevance मालूम नहीं रहेगा. It's easy to write 10 steps on LinkedIn and get views. It's tough to actually live that life. Remember that. तो सिंपल चीज है, अगर आपको बहुत सारा ऐसा सपना है कि जिस दिन में बन गया सब हो जाएगा, मेरे हिसाब से वो पहला स्टेप होगा. वहां से आगे तुम्हारा पूरा जिंदगी तुम डिटरमाइन करने वाला है. और अगर तुमने वहां से काम करना बंद कर दिया या ऐसा सोचा कि तो सब हो गया है, तो तुम सबसे बड़ा स्टूपिड आदमी है. तो बहुत सारे सेइंग्स है ना, दैट देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड एज ओवरनाइट सक्सेस. दैट्स ट्रू. यू आर वर्किंग एवरी डे. People say trust the process. Absolutely right. Because on every day when you believe that things are not going right, that means things are actually going right. You just don't know the outcome because you have not seen the bigger picture. The bigger picture will come in front of you after certain days. That's the only difference. Third thing, a very common one which I will share definitely. Majority बच्चा कोई भी कोर्स में, let's talk about CA course, जब भी लाइफ में पहली बार फेल होता है ना, तो आदमी हमेशा एक ही बोलता है, तब बुरा इसलिए लगा है पहली बार फेल हुआ है. मेरे को लगता है सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है, बिकॉज आपको लगता है एग्जाम का फेलियर इज द रियल फेलियर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू शुड नॉट फील बैड. यू शुड, इफ यू फेल इन लाइफ यू शुड फील बैड. You should cry if you believe crying will help you. You should talk to people if you believe talking will help you. You should introspect, think about yourself if you believe that is going to help you. You should do meditation, you should join classes, you should do whatever you feel like. तुम्हारे लिए जो सही है तुमने करना चाहिए, बट फेलियर एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए. अगर एग्जाम में नहीं तो जिंदगी में तो पक्का आएगा 100%. राइट? मैं आपको लिटरली बोलता है, एवरी डे तुम आर्टिकल जब शुरू करो जिंदगी में, यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, यू विल मेक मिस्टेक प्रोबेबली once a day, every मतलब confirm. And if you don't start accepting that, you are not going to learn. You are going to become an arrogant person, which is not good. So you got to understand that failure is not really a failure. It's everyday learning. Now, it can be a failure in exam, it can be failure in a project, or it can be a failure in a relationship. That's always subjective. It's about you. How do you come out of it? And remember, no one can help you unless you want to help yourself. If you don't want to talk about it, if you don't want to find a plan to get out of it, no one can definitely do anything for you. People can just write a message for you. People can maybe give you a call. People can maybe talk to you for 20 minutes. That's not sufficient here. Remember, every failure will have a separate impact on every person. सबसे लास्ट चीज जो अभी तक मैंने इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है, पर अपने आसपास के लोगों को देखा है, इसके बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. हर कोई बोलेगा फेलियर हुआ, अल्टीमेटली सक्सेस आ जाएगा. What after that? For example, you do something, you spend 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years of your life. The last one, no one wants to talk about. If you actually achieve something, if you want to call yourself successful, the real problem starts now. It is a problem bigger than you qualifying on that day. Because what happens? You actually become arrogant. Your attitude changes. Your perception towards people changes. And they always say, when you achieve everything in life, you have to stay calm. You have to wait, because there is going to be a turn again. You know, always people saying that. That's the most important lesson, because majority people may understand 1, 2, 3, but they always forget the last one. When they achieve everything, you are in that zone where you believe everything is going the way you wanted it. That means everything is actually going to go in future also the way you wanted. That is where you have to become calm as a person. You have to become little bit, you can say, have gratitude towards people. ये empathy होना चाहिए. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें आपको सही में लोग आज लिख के बोलेंगे, कोई कोट में लिखेंगे. जब तुम उस एक पोजीशन में रहोगे, तुमको रियलाइज होगा कि ये चीजें अगर तुम्हारे अंदर इनबिल्ट है, you don't go wrong. Otherwise, after reaching there, when you fall, that is the biggest fall. When you fall from not passing foundation, acceptable. From intermediate, acceptable. From final, acceptable. After working for 20 years, when you believe you have achieved something in life, and if people start disrespecting that, trust me, this is the biggest possible problem what a person can really face in life. क्योंकि उसको अपने ऊपर से कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म हो जाता है. और वो नॉर्मली तब होता है जब एक इंसान एक्चुअली में अपने आसपास के लोगों को निग्लेक्ट करना शुरू करता है, अपने आप को बहुत बड़ा समझना शुरू कर देता है। ये चीज आपको अपना कुछ ना कुछ टाइम आएगा, 5 साल के बाद, 7 साल के बाद। लाइक अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, the day you clear your intermediate, you start an articleship, you get a very good firm, and the way you start looking at other people that नहीं यार इसमें बहुत difference है, what I am, what they are, there's a difference. It's nice to have a difference, but it's not nice to talk about it so loudly that you actually try to make others feel really bad about it. It's your job to advise them, not to criticize them. Yes, criticism can also be done in a very constructive manner, in a manner where they actually learn from you. They not really start hating you. So these are few things which books won't teach you, which classes won't teach you. You have to learn in life on your own 100%. I still remember a person in my office, I'll give you the name also, Mr. Yuvraj Mohite. He was my manager when I was in PwC. आप मुझे पूछेंगे ना जिंदगी में, मेरे हिसाब से मैंने जो सीखा है जिंदगी में वो 3.5 साल में सीखा है, जब मुझे लगता था मेरा हर दिन सबसे टफ था आर्टिकलशिप का. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इफ आई वुडंट हैव गॉन देयर, आई वॉज अ 17-year-old पर्सन जिसने लिटरली क्लास 8th एक छोटे टाउन के अंदर खत्म किया है, जहां पर हम इंग्लिश में क्वेश्चन पेपर में 100 में से 100 लाते थे, क्योंकि राम के पिताजी का नाम क्या था, ये क्वेश्चन था. फ्रॉम देयर आई वेंट टू English medium school in Jaipur, where I failed in all subjects in class 8. From there, I finished my class 10th. I thought of going to science, and I flunked in a test for science, and then I realized, no, I'm not for science. I went to commerce in class 11, 12, and then I realized commerce works for me. And then I chose CPT. Again, 11, 12, suddenly such a jump. You thought everything is right for you. Then you get rejected in 12th marks. Then you realize you're not getting the college what you wanted, and then you choose a course. You choose a course, and then you realize everything is nice. 17-year-old me, when I came to Pune, Symbiosis used to have a quota of non-Maharashtrian students. मतलब उनका जो बीकॉम का एडमिशन होता है ना, ऐसा डिवीजन होता है, महाराष्ट्रियन कोटा एंड नॉन महाराष्ट्रियन कोटा. It was there in 2008. I don't know what is the situation today. 20 people who were selected from non-Maharashtrian quota. Do you get my point? They all were my friends. And trust me, what I thought of class 12th when I came here, I thought really good. 19 of them were better than me. I was intimidated by them because some of them came from Doon School, some came from Christ College, Bangalore. Their understanding, their exposure was way ahead. I was in a school, 11, 12. Your school exposure and college exposure cannot be compared in all senses. You're understanding my point? Then I realized, wow, the life is again changing. You have to understand that everyone is going to be better than you till the time you work really hard, and when you reach there, you don't have to feel arrogant. Yeah, that is one thing. Remember in life, वो कोई नहीं बताएगा क्योंकि तब सब अच्छा लगेगा, and everyone will try to appreciate you and butter you. But that is the time where someone should slap you and tell you, don't do that. Not literally, but by words. I hope you understand that. So that's something what I believe I have learned in my very small experience of little 11 years, and I'm very happy. I didn't want to do the course because I didn't know the potential of the course. I just did it because my dad filled the form. And he asked me, please go ahead. I said, okay, I don't have any other option, so let's go ahead. And it just worked. And then I realized, no, it has a lot of potential. Yes, there are a lot of problems. कुछ चीजें ऐसी रहेगी जो आपको लगेगी लॉजिकल नहीं है. It's okay. Not everything is logical in life. Trust me, majority of your relationships will not be logical. You will realize that after a few years. But then you will realize, oh shit, but they still taught you something in life. That's more important. So the job is, आपको उसको ट्रस्ट करते जाने का है, बनाते जाने का है और काम करते जाने का है. And don't become rigid यार. मेरा ये गोल है ना, मैं यही अचीव करेगा. मेरे को तो ये लगता है जो इंसान गोल के पीछे भागता है वो कभी गोल तक पहुंचता ही नहीं है. या पहुंचने का लगता है शिट क्या कर लिया, मतलब उसको लगता है शिट रास्ते पे बहुत सारे और गोल साइड में चले गए. So it's always go with the flow. You should have a plan, but don't become so rigid with your plan that actually you become stupid. And people start looking at you like he's obsession हो गया उसको उस चीज से. वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए because things will keep on changing. The way note number 7 is going to change for you.